Hey there and welcome to a new video. In today's video, I will share a SQL proficiency test which you can try on your own. So basically, I will be sharing a MCQ quiz which will consist of 25 questions. So the level of the question will be mostly basic to intermediate level question and you can try solving the MCQ. And now let me take you through the MCQ and show you what is the basic format in which I have arranged the question and what is the level of the questions. Now let me take you through the sheet where I have prepared the questions. So this will be the sheet where you can try the MCQ. So it consists of 25 questions and there will be 4 options for every question. You can mark one of the answer and finally after going through every question, you can finally submit the solution. So you will be able to see a submit button over here and then you will be able to see the correct answers if you are making some mistake in the MCQ. And if you are getting all the answers correct, it's absolutely perfect. And if you are making some minor mistakes, the right answer will be provided in the next page when you submit the MCQ. And if you want a copy of your response, you can simply keep this toggle button on and you will get the copy of your response along with all the questions. This is not a very complex MCQ proficiency test. It is mostly basic to intermediate level question. If you like this sort of questions and the way in which we are approaching the question, you can let me know through the comments or you can simply try the MCQ. It won't take much time. It will take maximum 5 minutes to complete the MCQ. Simply try the MCQ and let me know what you think about this. And if you like this, I will be creating more of such MCQ questions. And what I see as the most beneficial part of such MCQ is that it will take us through a lot of concept in a very less time. And the description will contain the link to the proficiency test. Hope you will like this MCQ. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. Thank you.